Janaya, where are we?
Toys R Us!
Why are we at Toys R Us?
Because it's closing, because many people are going online to get stuff and not going to like the actual stores. So we're here because all the toys are on sale.
Oh,
And we could get lots of stuff. Yeah.
Jasmine.
I just want to buy some cool stuff. Only because they're all on sale. So that's the only reason why I agreed to come.
It's 60% off. Wait, where's someone?
Mommy, record how long I could do it.
No.
50% off?
Yeah, look at the soggy doggy.
Jordan and I are gonna go wander around.
Okay, you have your phone?
Come on.
Yeah. You wanna go wander around?
Come on.
What's this? Loaded lemons? 40% off.
Whoa.
You got bed bugs.
Is this pie face sky high?
Yeah.
You have to do tasks without your thumb.
Okay. Oh, that's hard.
Seems fun. Come
This is
on.
my section right here, the game section.
What stuff are you getting? Jasmine, how much stuff are you planning to get?
As much as I possibly can.
Look, guys. So much good stuff.
Whoa, you blow, and then it sprays out.
Wow.
Look, Jasmine, sewing machine.
I'm getting that. I don't have a sewing machine. I didn't know what to sew.
Sand that glows.
Mommy, no, I'm getting that. Can you have this, Mom? I'm getting kinetic sand. It's heavy, though. Whoa, this is kinetic sand ice cream truck. It makes ice cream out of kinetic sand.
What is that, Naya?
There's a whole Barbie aisle.
Can we get out of this section?
No, you can, but I'm not. I'm looking at the side.
You know you can't wander off by yourself, right? I hope not.
Whoa. Barbie shirt. How much is it? Oh, no. That's $20. But no, I'm not getting that. It's a puppy puzzle.
I know.
I love puppies.
I love puzzles.
Together. I love puppy puzzles.
Janaya?
Games are so expensive.
Mommy, there's big and little pixie pops.
They're all kind of games.
I love pixie pops.
Pixie cups. Are these cup stuff? Because I'm boss at cup stacking.
What? This is
Science. Chemical reactions. Fluid dynamics. Checkerboard.
Science down here too. How to make gummies, but
They got the little human body. Do you remember we have this, Jasmine? What? The little human body thing?
Oh yeah.
Jasmine, look. It's rock stuff.
Perfume science. Candy chemistry. Look.
Candy chemistry? Yeah, we
First
have.
one we do with the Onyx kids.
Oh, we didn't do it with the Onyx.
They gave it to us.
Yeah.
Mhm.
They gave it to me.
Ooh, that's nice.
Probably more. Whoa.
Look at this disgusting science. You can make snow.
Mommy.
Remember you made snow in your
Mommy.
video?
Yeah.
Mommy, I always wanted something like this, like a detector thingy.
Huh. A detector.
I always wanted one.
That's science.
It has it here.
Look, slime. Super
Slime?
slimy factory.
Sour
love
candy
slime.
science. Whoa.
I think didn't we order that?
I think we
Whoa,
have
I have
some.
a
Look, night
telescope.
goggles.
Oh,
Jordan.
I
No,
want that.
no, put it back. Put it back.
Oh, can't get it.
Oh
Is this real?
god. Yeah.
Because it looks like someone's been trying to go in it.
Yeah.
Wow. Come guys, let's go see other stuff.
I love this stuff. Wait, guys, wait. We have a robot. What is that?
This for American Girl dolls. 2 American Girl dolls and I
Johnny
have 2
Girls,
left.
that's what they're called. But I guess you could put it for American Girls.
Wait, how much is this anyway?
It's $59.99.
$59.99.
There's 50% off.
So that means how much is this?
Half of 60 is 30.
Oh, so you'll let me get the thing. This is a doll salon. Hair thing. Sorry, guys. But look at it. Look at it. It's silver and gold. My 2 favorite colors. Well, one of my 2 favorite colors.
Come look at these dresses, Janaya.
Whoa.
Moana.
Moana. This is like the Moana section. There's so much Moana.
I think it's Disney Princess.
And Elsa. One of my favorite characters in Frozen.
More dresses.
And a dollhouse with a slipper. Like how much it used to be with
Wow.
the person.
This is awesome, guys. Really awesome.
I love cars. No offense. But.
What is this?
Oh my gosh.
It actually has buttons in it. And you could actually
Whoa.
We're going forward if it can move. Can't move. I wish it could move. Not yet. Wait.
You broke it, Jasmine. Okay, look at this one. Whoa. Look, Naya, look behind you. Fake car in the box right here.
Mom, you have to get me another one.
No,
Mine's
you have to
ran
find
out
your
of
charger.
battery car. Cause the
Really, Jasmine? That is way too small for you.
God, I have an emergency. It even has this. It's like this is the police car.
Jordan, you're too big.
No. That car's amazing, Jasmine. It fits so perfectly. It has leather. I'm surprised these fake cars have doors.
This is perfect.
Look. Baby shoes.
Whoa. Wrestling.
Look over here. I'm about to get out my car.
Yeah, your Cadillac. You need to get a
Look at
good
these leather
job
seats.
to get a Cadillac.
These cars.
And a bed.
No, we already have yours.
These. Yes, it is. How do you open these cars up?
Just one of those back racks.
Jasmine is hanging off the front.
You're gonna accident. You're gonna die.
I'm about to get off the other side. Look, Jasmine.
What is that?
Can't even open it.
Whoa, what is that?
You do this to make your phone back.
That is cool. I like that. JJ, you like that? That's cool.
Made scooters?
Already made. Already made? Yeah, because you're supposed to make.
Wow.
When I first saw it, I was like, oh my
You got the whole aisle. 40% off.
40% off.
I don't understand. That's so
Can I
weird.
get this?
No, because you already have stuff.
These other aisle.
You guys, let me see that drone. That's so cute.
I wonder what Drax would do
Jordan,
if I
you don't want that Spider-Man drone?
I'll see you in closet.
What is that? It's 50% off, Jordan. It's 50% off. You want to get that? Come, let's go on the other side. There's Marvel and stuff. Star Wars.
Star Wars and Marvel.
The toys are 50% off, Jordan. What is this?
That's your vision.
Hold it. What is it supposed to be? Oh, baby feet. Janaya?
What
Dad's
is this? What is this? I want to see.
You control stuff with your hand.
Like to see.
Read it.
Mommy, I just want to see one.